How to use DramaBox to watch movies and shows for free. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to the channel. If you guys are looking for an easy way and easy place to watch all of your favorite shows and movies, this video is for you. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. So first step is you'll need to download DramaBox. To do that, open up your app store. On your app store, search for DramaBox as I did already, and there you'll find DramaBox app. So this is the one right here. Open it up, and after you open it up, you can see that DramaBox has a lot to offer. You can simply tap on the install button and install the app and then open it up. After you open it up, you can then just check out what this is about. So if you head over to the profile option at the bottom right, you can then see that you can also log in into your account. So log in into your account, you can sign in using a Facebook, your Google, or your Apple. So if you just head back without after you log in and everything, you can then see that you can watch movies, you can start watching series and everything. So yeah, just select what you want to watch and start watching. After you log in, you can also start keeping up your history. You can also top up if you want. You can watch stuff for free. You can watch stuff for paid as well. You can see there is paid and free option. If you select the free one, you can see a lot of different dramas free. There are also Asian, local. You can see which genre you want and everything. So yeah, that's how you use DramaBox to watch movies and shows for free. Thanks for watching. That is it for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.